Hi guys, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a domain kind of questions for radical functions, and moreover for any other kind of questions for high school level. This question is asked by my student Alex, and if you have any other questions related to this, or if you have any other general questions, just leave me a comment. I will answer your questions in my next videos. Alright, let's see these questions. We have radical functions. Which one has the domain x bigger than -2 and the range y less than 3? Okay, so what is domain? Domain, in simple terms, is what x can be. What it means x can be? What x can be to make sure the function is not wrong. Okay, let's see, in the high school level, we're going to deal with the three kind of questions. Okay, so first one is 1 over x. Let's get my pen here. Okay, so 1 over x, so which is denominator. So denominator is never going to equal to 0. So if denominator is equal to 0, that means wrong. And the next one is square root functions, which is radical functions. Everything inside square root must be bigger or equal to 0. The last one is the logarithm functions, which is the power here. The power must be bigger than zeros only. They are not okay to become to equal to 0. Okay, let's see this question here. So we have domain like this. For example, in here, let's see, whatever inside the square root must be bigger or equal to 0. So we're gonna have x plus 2 bigger or equal to 0. So it means x bigger or equal to -2. So it is what we want here. So that's correct. Okay, so x minus 2 bigger than 0, that means we're gonna have x minus 2 bigger or equal to 0, that means we're gonna have x bigger than equal to 2. So which is not right. This is not what we want here. So B and C are automatically wrong. Okay, let's see A and D. What's the difference between A and D? So A and D is the y plus 3 and the y minus 3. It is not about domain anymore. It's about range. Okay, what the range is? Range is what y can be. Let's graph these functions. In the reciprocal functions, radical functions, sorry about that. In the radical functions, we're going to have this part. Again, if you have questions about how this graph drawing, please refer my other videos when I'm talking about inverse functions and the radical functions. In the inverse function and the quadratic functions, I will talk about exactly how we graph radical functions and the transformations. Okay, in here, so we're going to say this is traditional square root x functions. Okay, if we are minus 3 here, right here, let's see this one, the d value is the y equal to x plus 2 minus 3. That means we shift these things down by 3 units, -3 here, and then graph it. That means everything, the range, is everything above -3. So it's supposed to be y bigger than -3, which is not correct. We are looking for y is less than 3. So we have to see A. Let's confirm that A is correct. Okay, so A is this. So we're going to have x, whatever the square root is, and then we reciprocal. It's just flip it. So negative sign means we reflect about x-axis, which is something here. And then if you plus 3, that means I'm moving up by 3, which is something like that. Okay, now this is 3. So let's see here. Everything for the y value is less than 3. So this is how to answer the questions A. Okay, so I know there's jumped a lot of steps. If you have any question about how this graph drawing and then how to do the transformations, please refer my other transformation videos. Okay, thank you for watching.